So just go ahead.
Okay.
And pick that spot on the ceiling and stare at it.
All right.
And take a deep breath. Hold it for a few moments. And exhale. I'm going to have you do that 3 more times. Deep breath. Hold it. Your eyes begin to feel dry. Exhale. And tired, but keep those open until that 3rd deep breath. And this time as you exhale, just slowly close your eyes and relax your entire body. You can move and adjust at any time through this process. It's perfectly okay. There you go. So just feel your breathing. Relaxed, slow, deep, and even. Paying attention to your breath as it slips down through your body. I'm going to speak to your unconscious mind, so you don't need to pay a lot of attention to what I'm saying. Your unconscious mind will listen independently without you even needing to know you're listening. So just go ahead and listen and take the suggestions that will help you find the greatest value for what you're here to achieve. You don't need to strain to remember what I say. Your unconscious mind will make notes and use the ones that have the most value for you. So just let all of my suggestions go deeply into your unconscious as you begin to relax. Just sit there and listen and relax whatever rate is comfortable for you. It can be as slow or as fast as you choose. And the more you seek a sense of self-control, the easier it will be for you to simply let go of tension and relax. This is your state. You've created it. You can lighten it or deepen it at will. So just sit back and listen to the sound of my voice as you go deeper. And every sound, every noise that you hear, whether it's outside or in this room, it just brings you a little deeper each time you hear one. You may even hear the sound of your breathing. And now just for the next few moments, let go, release, and relax. And just imagine a warm, white light starting at the top of your head, relaxing all the little worry lines in your forehead. And now relax all the muscles in and around your eyes. And feel that warm light move down your cheeks and into your mouth. You may even feel a space between your teeth as you relax your jaws. And relax your neck. Moving down your shoulders as they sink into the frame of the chair. Slow, deep, and even. And now your chest relaxes as you pay attention to your breathing one more time. It feels good to just let go. You may feel that you have a need to swallow. That's perfectly okay. Or your eyes may flicker and flutter ever so lightly. That's an excellent sign of just letting go. And your stomach relaxes. And now your arms relax all the way down your elbows into your forearms, your wrists, and even your fingers. And feel that relaxation move down now your upper back, down your spinal column into your lower back. Feeling peaceful and calm. And your hips relax all the way down your legs, into your knees and your calves, your feet, and even your toes. And just feel that wave of relaxation as you imagine a calming, tranquil color moving down your body from your head down to your toes. And as you feel your feet on the ground, you may even feel as though there are roots growing into the ground, grounding you, relaxing you. With every breath you take, you feel more relaxed. You may even feel very heavy or very light. The heaviness feels as though you are sinking into the chair, and the lightness feels as though you are buoyant, floating freely. You may feel a tingling in your fingers or toes. It's perfectly normal as your nervous system slows down. And now imagine you are lying in a beautiful field of greens, or even on the bottom of a boat, whichever you choose. And as you look up into the beautiful blue sky, you realize you feel the warm sun on your face and the cool breeze in your hair. And then you look up in that blue sky and you see some white fluffy clouds floating by. And as they pass, they clear your mind of all outside thoughts, setting aside the next few moments to just visualize and energize your goals for your future. So I'd like you just to take one more deep breath as you breathe energy into your goals. And as you release and relax, breathe your breath into a picture of your future. As I begin to count now, 5, more and more relaxed, going into the future, 6 months or maybe even a year, you choose. 4, deeper and deeper into your inner self. 3, into your place of wisdom. 4, beginning to feel a deep level of satisfaction as you reach and begin to attain your goals. And 5, deeply relaxed, embracing the responsibility that it takes to reach your goals as you step into your goals of the future. And look through your own eyes now into the future and see yourself as you have achieved your goals. Feel it and sense it. Smell it and taste it. That goal of grossing $833,333 a month. Embrace it. It's yours. Take it, touch it, and feel it. Look through your own eyes as you look and see when you begin to achieve those goals. And now see the last thing that has happened for you as you realize you have achieved that goal. See what you're seeing, hear those around you, and feel that inside you. This is your truth and your reality. What your mind believes, you will achieve. And now notice the action steps you've taken to get there. Notice your attitude, your beliefs, and what you truly value. Helping others reach their goals. Notice the skills and the knowledge and the tools you've learned to achieve this goal. Now as you continue to relax, remaining in this very deep hypnotic state, I'd like you just to imagine, as we talked about earlier, we talked about fear, sometimes holding you back. I want you to imagine that that fear is an obstacle in front of you. And tell me, Ralph, what does that fear look like? Tell me the color of that fear.
Red.
Red, okay. And tell me how large that fear is.
It's a big brick wall.
A cement brick wall, and it's red.
Big brick wall.
Big brick wall. And is it cold or is it hot?
It's cold.
It's cold, okay. And if you were to get through that fear and push through to reach that goal that you've already visualized, that's become your truth, your reality, what would you do to get over, around, or through that big brick cement wall?
I'm gonna smash it.
You're gonna smash it. What are you gonna smash it with?
I'm gonna get a big truck and drive it through it.
A big truck and drive it through. That's awesome. And when you do, what happens to that wall? Does it fly off and disappear into space? Does it crinkle? Does it just melt? What happens to that wall when you drive through it with your truck?
Turns into thousands of bricks laying on the ground that I can build something with.
I love it. So you're going to take those resources and build something with those bricks. And from this moment forward, anytime that self-doubt or that fear creeps in, you just take that dump truck and drive through that wall, getting you closer and closer to your goals each and every day. And as you come back to now, coming back to the present, notice the milestones you've accomplished on the way to reaching those goals. And now notice the steps you've taken tomorrow to achieve these goals. And before you come back to the room, as my words become your words, repeating after me, I am a force for good and an inspiration for thousands of people.
I am a force for good and an inspiration for thousands of people.
I am informing people all over the world on the tools needed to be successful.
I'm informing people all over the world on the tools needed to be successful.
I am a valuable resource for people buying and selling homes all over the country.
I'm a valuable resource for people buying and selling homes all over the country.
I am an expert at branding and manufacturing.
I'm an expert at branding and manufacturing and marketing.
I make people famous.
I make people famous.
I have absolute freedom and love where I am at the moment.
I have absolute freedom and love where I am at the moment.
I leave a legacy with my family that allows them to be fearless, powerful, successful, and feel value.
I leave a legacy with my family that allows them to be fearless, powerful, valuable, and successful.
I love it. And as you can see, that subconscious mind always has your higher goals in line as we changed manufacturing to marketing.
I am an expert at branding and marketing.
Very good. And as all of these truths, these realities, these visualizations become the blueprint for your future, accepting them, you become stronger and stronger every day. And when you come back, you will feel clear-headed, wide awake, realizing your potential to reach your goals as your subconscious digests all of these images and suggestions, becoming stronger and stronger every day. Beginning to come back to the room now as you reach your goals, accept your goals, and even exceed your goals. Coming back now, 5, beginning to feel some energy return to your body. 2, feeling some movement in your fingers and toes. 3, slowly coming back, motivated, determined, mentally tough, ready for the future. 4 and 5, when you're ready, opening your eyes, coming back, feeling wonderful in every way. It may take them a few moments to return, because that is a state that just feels really good, and many times you don't want to come back to the reality of the present. So it just takes a few moments come back and feel energy again.